In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice in Descript using AI speakers. First, open Descript on your PC. Give it a moment to load, then sign in so you can access your projects and settings. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and find the section labeled AI Speakers. This is where Descript stores and manages all voice clones you create, and it's the hub for training your own. Click New AI Speaker to begin. Descript will prompt you to train an authorized speaker. This step ensures you're granting permission for your voice to be cloned and confirming that it's your voice. It's an important safeguard, and it sets up the system to recognize your vocal characteristics accurately. Next, you'll see a consent agreement. Read it carefully and accept once you understand how your voice data will be used and stored. This agreement is designed to protect you and to make sure your voice model is created with your explicit permission. Now click Start Recording. Before you begin speaking, try to be in a quiet room. Use a decent microphone if you have one, and position it a few inches from your mouth. Speak at a natural pace and keep your tone conversational. Descript provides an on-screen script for you to read. This script is crafted to capture a range of sounds and patterns in your voice so the clone sounds more authentic. Read the on-screen script clearly until all sections are complete. If you stumble, simply pause, take a breath, and continue. Consistency matters more than speed. Aim for clear articulation and avoid whispering or shouting, as the goal is to teach the model how you normally speak. If the recording level looks too high or too low, adjust your distance slightly and keep going. When you finish the script, click Submit. Descript will then process your voice. This can take a little time depending on the length of your sample and system load, so don't worry if it's not instant. While you wait, keep the app open and avoid heavy background tasks to ensure smooth processing. Once the processing is done, your cloned voice will appear in the AI speakers area. You'll see it listed there and ready for use in your future projects. That's it, your voice clone is trained, authorized, and available right inside Descript, ready to bring your scripts to life with your own voice.